crowdsourcing my Dear Dana letters today. Let's see if we can find anybody. Excuse me, can I ask you a question for a stranger on the internet?
Okay.
So the person is asking, they're 21 years old. They've had the same crush on the same girl since 7th grade. Now she's dating somebody else. What should he do?
If he have still feeling on her, he should ask her straight away.
Even though she's dating somebody else,
Yeah.
he should just say, I like you,
Yeah,
I'm in love with you,
he should clear it out.
go for it.
Yes.
Okay, I love it.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay, so the guy is asking for relationship advice. He's been in love with the same girl since grade 7. He's 21 now, and she's seeing somebody else. Do you think he should do? Do you think he should tell her how he feels? Like, he's been in love with her since 7th grade. Now he's 21. Should he be like, hey, I love you?
You should tell actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, you should express them love or something. They should express.
So she knows. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Can I ask you a question for a stranger on the internet? Yes. Do you think he should tell her that he loves her? He shouldn't tell her.
Yes.
It will ruin the friendship.
Yes. Friendship.
Friendship is better than relationship.
Yes.
I agree. You're looking so lovely. You look amazing. And he's been in love with the same woman since 7th grade. He's now 21. She has no idea he's in love with her. They're friends. What should he do? Should he tell her she's in love with him? And by the way, she's dating somebody else at the moment.
No, he should not.
He should not tell her, right? Why?
But she's dating someone else now. That's why.
And what do you think?
I think it will be like cheating.
So he should not tell her.
No, he should not.
If she just happens to break up with him, then he can tell her, right? Or do you think still then he might ruin the friendship?
In friendship they might be, but not in relationship. But she's already dating someone else now.
If they break up, I mean. If she's not dating someone in 1 year, should he tell her then?
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
then
fine.
it's okay.
Then it's fine.
And-
At the same time, if she get any other boy, means what it will happen.
Yeah.
Right. So it's not good. I think so.
Should they just stay friends? Because friendship's lasting longer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.